This replacement filter for Epic water pitchers and dispensers delivers very thorough purification, targeting everything from everyday chlorine taste to more stubborn heavy metals and complex chemical residues. Its nanofiltration media is designed to capture extremely small particles, including many microbes and microplastics, which gives the water a cleaner and more reassuring profile than basic carbon filters. Independent testing against multiple established drinking water standards adds confidence that the advertised contaminant reduction is not just marketing language. The cartridge is built to handle roughly 100 gallons over several months, so it needs changing far less often than many common pitcher filters while still keeping flow rates comfortable for daily use. I appreciate that the core components are produced in the United States and tied to clean water initiatives, which makes the purchase feel more responsible from an ethical standpoint. The replaceable inner core and fully recyclable bisphenol A-free construction help cut down on plastic waste, making this a strong option for people who care about both water quality and sustainability.